This way. Anchovies, huh? For sure. Hello, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, SoCal Fisherman. Out here today, as you guys can see, I'm surrounded by water. I'm right here at Mission Bay. Right here on the Skiff. So yeah, I'm excited, for the Skiff because a little difference in comparison to other times when we come out with the skiffs. I usually bring my cooler, I get the bait from Oceanside, and yeah, I mean sometimes the bait dies off and all that. But what's convenient about this spot here, specifically Mission Bay, so Seaforth Boat Rentals now offers the option for the skiff plus the live bait tank. So it has right here the battery, to power it on and off, and it's cool because the motors here, they have like it's pretty convenient because it has a push to start. So push to start, it has the push to stop right here, or you can flip it on or you can flip it off right here, put it to run, depending what works for you and all that. But yeah, that's something I found kind of neat, when first seeing this. Thank you to Seaforth Boat Rentals for the continued partnership. I appreciate you guys. But yeah, so if you guys are new to the channel, are interested in getting a skiff rental yourself, yeah, you guys could check out seaforthboatrentals.com. I'll put it right here, and you could check out between Coronado location or Mission Bay location. Both of them are great. I've been over there, been over here, but this is my first time trying out the one with the live bait tank. And it's convenient because as soon as you're going out from the Seaforth location, the bait barge is literally right there, like right 3 minutes away with the boat, or with the skiff, I mean. But yeah, so I'm stoked to try it. It is summertime. Honestly, I haven't fished Mission Bay in a while, so gotta try it out. Mainly gotta go with some live bait action. Got the live bait right there. It's mainly anchovies. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video. If you haven't already, check out the other videos. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If in case you're into other videos similar to this, like this, welcome. You can find other videos there on my channel. For all those of you that have continuously stayed subscribed, stayed tuned to the channel, thank y'all for tuning in. Hope you all have been well, and let's get to fishing. Whoa. So we're currently under this bridge. I'm gonna probably try this out, or I'll make a turn to try out a spot over there. But yeah, we'll see. Hello, I was almost forgetting to mention, if in case you guys want to come out to either the Seaforth location, Seaforth Boat Rental location, Mission Bay, or Coronado, go ahead. All for you guys. Use SoCal 10 as a discount code for 10% off your next fishing boat rental. And that's all their fishing boat rentals. They have their available, not just the skiffs. So yeah, go ahead, use SoCal10 for your next fishing boat rental. Hope to see you guys out here. Hope to hear what you guys have been catching. Hope to hear how it's been going for you all. Comment down below, let me know. We'll see how it goes. Alright, first cast. Nice. Alright, still got to set up. These baits are very, very tiny. They're anchovies, but they already took Dominic's real quick. So, let's go give it a shot. Alright, so I was hooking it on by the nose, but it kept opening its mouth. Hold on, mijo. So I'm gonna try it on the tail. Yeah, hold on, mijo. No, leave it. There we go. So I tried to hook it right about there. Yeah, so it's not too deep here. It's like 10 feet.
It's like 10 feet, Dad?
Like 10 feet.
Like 10 feet? Dad, can we do this now?
No. It's stopped right now, okay?
Dad, look! Cut!
What? There you go. First catch of the day. Some seaweed.
Dad,
And the bait's gone.
Dad, come, Mama.
In a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna try hooking on the mouth again. Just say it kept like opening its mouth. I left it like all funky. Alright, let's see how that goes. It looks way better presentable. So let's see.
Dad, can I try this?
No, it's dirty. Other people's mouth have been on it.
Dad, what can I do?
Oh, on one, real quick. Nice. See what we got. Spotty maybe. Oh yeah, spotty.
Ah!
Look at that. No, it's too tiny. Look. Okay, so back in the water it goes. There we go. Nice. Let's see if there's some bigger fish right here. Gustavo's gonna reel in the next catch. Hey Gustavo, get ready, because you're gonna reel it in. Get ready. Look, Gustavo, look. It's getting bit. Look. Come here, you want to reel it in or not? Come here. Put the net down. Put the net down. Put the net down. Here. Reel it. Oh, hurry, reel it. There you go. Reel it. Oh, you got it. Good job. Here, let me bring it in. Careful.
Put it in here.
Oh, look. Oh.
Put it in here.
No, hold on, baby. There's some mackerel.
We're gonna keep it?
No, not this one. It's a nice size mackerel too.
Yeah, but I have to catch the fish with this.
Careful. Yes. A nice size mackerel. Look at that. Good throw back. Good shark bait though. You're gonna get bit right away right there, Dominic. There you go, nice. Slow and steady. Nice, look at that, you got spotty. Here, show me.
Like Spotify.
Nice, here, bring it over. Bring it over here. Over here, bring it.
So it's like Spotify. It's called Spotty. Most people call it like Spotify.
Wait, calico, my bad. Calico.
It's a calico?
Yeah. There you go. Here, show me. Nice one. Nice. Oh wow, seaweed. That was a fish. Alright, so I anchored down over here. Let's see if we get some halibut. They usually love this spot right here. But the water is super choppy. We got super choppy right now. Yeah, so we came back under this bridge. We ended up trying to go over there to the north side of Mission Bay. Yeah, and it was pretty bad. There was a whole lot of wind over there, super windy. Although it is windy right here too, but over there the current was super rough. Yeah, so just gotta continue over here where we were getting some fish earlier. And yeah, let's see if we get anything right now. Nice, that looks pretty appetizing. I think you're on. Hello, guy.
Oh yeah, I'm on.
Yeah. See, really? See what you got?
Well, not too fast.
Here, keep it straight so it doesn't rub on the boat. There you go. Nice. Little spotted bay bass. Nice job, Dominic.
I know.
Yeah, you got it with the little plastic, little lure.
I want to throw it in.
Alright. So you got it there with that one?
That is really happy.
Show me. Nice job. There you go. Stay in the water. Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice. Go ahead. Catch another one. Yeah, so he's been careful, Gustavo, when casting out. Yeah, he's just been casting out that lure. He's just been casting out that lure because, yeah, with those anchovies, it's been slow. I mean, just aside from those fish we got over there by the bridge. Aside from those, that's pretty much all we got with those anchovies. Hey, we're about to start wrapping up the day, just doing some final casts and all that, and yeah, gonna be wrapping it up. But yeah, your chips are on the floor over there.